Welcome back. Okay, now let's try adding 4-digit numbers from left to right. Again, starting from the left, 8 plus 7 gives us 15. But can we put down 15 in the answer column? Before putting 15 down in the answer column, look into the next column and you can see that the total of this column is going to be above 10. So here, instead of putting 15 down, you put 16 down. Note here that we are adding the thousands. The moment the total of the left column reaches 2 digit, that means your answer will be in 10,000s. So that would be 16,000. Now coming to this column, 6 plus 7 gives us 13. 1 from this 13, that is this one, is already adjusted here. Now you are left with this 3. So can we put this 3 down in the answer column? Yes, because if you look at the next column, the total is going to be below 10. So you can safely put 3 down in the answer column. Now add this column. 3 plus 4 gives us 7. Can we put down 7 in the answer column? Yes, because again, before putting the 7 down in the answer column, look into the next column or here. In this case, it's the last column. And you can see that the total is going to be below 10. So you can safely put down 7 here. Now add the last column or the rightmost column. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. So our answer is 16,379. Let's do one more example here. Again starting from the left. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. Before putting 9 down in the answer column, look into the next column. And you can see that the total is going to be below 10. So you can safely put down 9 in the first column. First digit of the answer. Now coming to this column, 3 plus 5 gives us 8. But before putting 8 down in the answer column, look into the next column, that is this column. And you can see that you are going to have the carry as the total is going to be above 10. So instead of putting 8 down, we put 9 down in the answer column. Now come to this column, add 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 gives us 15. Again, before putting 5 down, because 1 from the 15 is already adjusted here and you are left with this 5 only. Now can we put this 5 down in the answer column? Again, before putting the 5 down in the answer column, look into the next column. That is this column or the last column, the rightmost column. You can see that the total is 10. So instead of putting the 5 down, you put 6 down in the answer column. Now coming to the last column, 2 plus 8 gives us 10. Again, the 1 from the 10 is adjusted here. So you are left with just 0. So put 0 down in the answer column. And this is your final answer, 9,960. With little practice, you should be able to add the numbers from left to right easily and quickly. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.